What's going on today, YouTube? Rob here. Today's video, we're diving headfirst into the brand new Ghost from the Past, The Second Haunting. We're basically just trying to pull a ghost rare out of this. Every other card that we pull is good as well, because it does have some pretty good reprints. But we are mainly just looking to pull a ghost rare, as we haven't managed to pull one out of Ghost from the Past. And this is our first Ghost from the Past, The Second Haunted opening. And they have actually increased the rate at which you could potentially pull a ghost rare. So that's what we're trying to do in this video today. Before we get started, I just want to say, if you're new to the channel, consider leaving a like, consider commenting on what your favorite card in the set was, or what you might want to see next. And without wasting any more of your time, let's get into this box opening. Alright guys, let's get into this Ghost from the Past Second Haunting display box. What we're really trying to pull is a ghost rare, something that has eluded us since the original Ghost from the Past. We still haven't pulled a ghost rare out of that yet. But hopefully now that they've changed the odds, we're able to pull at least one ghost rare or more ghost rares out of this set. I don't really care what ghost rare we get if we get a ghost rare. I would say I'm probably pulling more towards a ghost rare Dark Magician Girl or a ghost rare Armed Dragon, but doesn't really matter to me what we pull, if any. Man, they changed the packaging on this stuff. It's actually not too bad. Let's just open them all up then. And we'll save one for last, and let's see what we can get with our pulls, starting with this pack here. So kicking things off, we've got Double D Savant Copernicus, followed by Fossil Machine Skull Buggy. Neat to see some more fossil stuff. We've got the Dark Magician, the Dragon Knight. We've got Rare Fish, and Insector Hornet to round off our first pack. So not too bad. Still no ghost rare, but hey, that was the first pack, so. Ooh, we've got Boxia, Brightness of the Yangzing to start things off, followed by White Bread, the Plunder Patrol, or White Beard, sorry, the Plunder Patrol Helm. Ghostrick Mirror, or Ghostrick Mary, sorry. Triple D Duo Don King Caliuga. And we've got Zombie World, that's a cool reprint as well. There's a lot of really neat reprints in this set, actually, now that I think about it. And some stuff I was sort of looking for as well. We've got Rampage Dragon, which is really cool. Retaliating Sea. Got Go, Triple D Divine Zero King Rage. We've got the Sanctum of Parshath, and Tenyi Spirit Mapura, which is cool as well. We've got Proxy Horse, the Agent of Creation Venus, Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. It's cool. Can't wait for this structure deck to come out. Tenny Spirit Adhara, Vision Hero Multiply Guy, we've got Infernity Pawn. Neat to see some Infernity support. It's got Samsara Dragon. Vision Hero Ferris. It's really great for hero players. Vampire Domination. I've got Hela Generator Boss of Doom. Okay. That's not bad either. Next up, we've got Puppet Queen, followed by the Agent of Judgment Saturn, Reptia Egg, Yangzing Prana, and another Tenyi Spirit Mapura, which is really cool as well. Like I said, it's neat to... There's a lot of really cool reprints in this set, not just the Ghost Rares. Reptilian Spawn. We've got Giant Mammoth of Goldfine, Majesty Hyperion. We've got Brute Enforcer, Manju of the 10,000 Hands. To round off that pack. Next up, let's see what we got. Kicking things off with Alien Ammonite, Insector Gigamantis, which is really cool. DDD Vice King Requiem, and Mystical Shine Ball. And lastly, we've got Chimeratech Fortress Dragon. So it's really neat to get a couple of the Cyber Dragon fusions, but it's also really neat to see some alien support and even getting some support for agents. We've got Tenyi Spirit Nahada, followed by Plunder Patrol Ship Moark, Shell Knight, Ghostrick Mummy, and Vision Hero Vion. That's really cool as well. Next pack we go. We've got Puppet Queen, not Muppet Queen, the Agent of Judgment Saturn, Ryza, the Mega Monarch, Yangzing Prana, and another Tenyi Spirit Mapura, which I believe gives us a playset of that. But again, don't really need it, but nice to have. We've got Despia, Theater of the Branded, reprinted in this, which is really cool because that deck's seeing a lot of play. Number 38, Hope Harbinger Dragon Titanic Galaxy. We've got Master Flare Hyperion around there, Rare Fish, and Plunder Patrol Ship Lease. Which is cool. Neat to see Despia reprint. I know there's Alibers in this. I'm kind of hoping to pull him because I need at least one more for my Despia deck because I am running it at 2 right now. Then we've got another Boxia, Brightness of the Yangzing, Whitebeard, the Plunder Patrol Helm. Oh my god, guys, we pulled a Ghost Rare in our first display opening. We've got the Ghost Rare Red Dragon Archfiend. This is insane. I should have had sleeves ready just in case this happened, but oh man, that is awesome. That is absolutely fantastic. So that is our first Ghost Rare pull ever. That is awesome. I kind of wish it was Dark Magician Girl, but hey, I'm not complaining. A Ghost Rare is a Ghost Rare. Then we've got Duo Dawn King Kali Yuga and Zombie World to round off that pack. Oh man, that is awesome. Plus we still have another box of this to go, or another 4 or 5 packs. We've got Double D Swirl Slime, which is great. I need that to complete, whatchamacallit, DDD deck. Wandering King Wild Wind, which is cool. Chaos Greffer. And Ono Moraki. And Yangzing Piranha. Oh man, guys, like, I'm still shaking. That is awesome. Ghost Rare. I don't know if we can pull another one in a display, but let's see if we can. We've got Savant Copernicus, Heavenly Dragon Circle, really cool reprint as well. Outburst Dragon, Ono Maraki, and Hela, the Generator Boss of Doom. Let's save the Blue Eyes pack for last. Ooh, we've got Cupid Pitch, that's cool. Cool reprint. Box of Friends, the Agent of Life, Neptune, Fossil Fusion, really cool. And we've got Malefic Cyber End Dragon. Let's see what this pack brings us. We've got Yangzing Brutality. Ooh, Dark Contract with the Gate. Fallen Sanctuary. We've got Ghostrick Jiangxi. And another Triple D Duo Don King Kali Yuga. I believe that gives us a place out of that. But let's see if we can, what we can pull out of our very last box of this display. Here's hoping we pull another Ghost Rare, although I don't think we can. But I could be wrong. That would make this opening absolutely insane if we managed to pull a second Ghost Rare. So we got the Hot Red Dragon Archfiend. Let's see. Let's open that pack first. So we've got Master Hyperion, Vampire Grace, Dark Alligator, got Plunder Patrol Ship Braun, and the Chorus of, or In the Sky. Okay, let's go with the Blue Eyes pack here. We've got Pre-Mathmech Laplancian, Cynet Conflict, Galaxy Soldier. We've got Jormungandr, Generator Boss of Eternity. Ooh, and Tenyi Spirit Adhara. Let's save this Cyber Dragon pack for last, I guess. Let's see what this Dark Magician Girl pack brings us. We've got Vampire Sorcerer, Altergeist Failover, DDD Vice King Requiem, Code Exporter, and DD Necro Slime. Again, needed that as well for a Triple D deck, or a DDD deck. Last and final pack. We already have our Ghost Rare, but let's see if we can pull another one. We've got Despian Comedy, another Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon, Go, DDD Divine Zero King Rage. We've got the Agent of Entropy, Uranus, and Doom King Ballardrock to round off this display opening, highlighted by our Ghost Rare Red Dragon Archfiend, which is actually, like, really sick. That is awesome. And we pulled it really early, too. We pulled it about halfway through our box opening, which is really great to see. Alright guys, that's it for this Ghost from the Past second haunting box opening. I hope you enjoyed. We did manage to pull a Ghost Rare, which is great because that is the first Ghost Rare we have pulled on the channel. We didn't manage to pull one in our Ghost from the Past videos, so being able to pull one in our very first display of Ghost from the Past 2, the second haunting, is amazing. And coming on top with a Ghost Rare version of Red Dragon Archfiend is awesome, even though it's not something like the Ghost Rare Dark Magician Girl, which is something we were looking for. But again, it's a Ghost Rare, and that's amazing. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, be sure to comment on what you want to see next, and if you want me to open up more of the Ghost from the Past Second Haunting. And also be sure to subscribe for more fun Yu-Gi-Oh videos, and I will catch you in the next one. That's game!